everyone and welcome. Today's video we're going to be looking at a comparison between Bubble and Software. So let's get started. So we'll start with Bubble. Now Bubble is like your digital Lego set. You visually drag and drop elements to build interactive web apps, no coding required. So it's a full stack no code app builder. You build what you imagine. Build a professional product, launch to customers, and grow without limits. Join millions of people who build their dreams with Bubble. So, please build that Bubble. You can see all the features, all the interesting parts. Now, what can you build with Bubble? On Bubble, people have built marketplaces, AI-powered tools, CRM platforms, subscription services that generate six figures and beyond. They got started without any special training, and you can too. So you can see the things that are built on Bubble and see them right here. So many interesting things. To see more projects, click here. Now, how does it work? From one platform, you can design, build, and launch fully functional web and mobile applications. They also handle all the technical details like servers, integration, and security. You get to design, that is, create professional designs, import the design, use AI generator, or start with one of all their 1,000 templates. To explore design, click on this. Now when it comes to data, you get to make your own database, organize the information, and connect with services like Strip, Google Maps, and more. If you want to explore more, click on this. Next, logic. You get to build powerful app functionality without code. You get to use the visual development tools to tell your app what to do. So Bubble is the most powerful AI at your fingertips. You can connect to OpenAI or connect to Cloud AI. To explore the Bubble ecosystem, click on this. So AI powered with no code. You want to know about the founders? You click on this enterprise about the AI. This is the founder at Medrick and Drug First. Then we have enterprise, and then we have AI. Then let's look at why Bubble. Some people wonder, why should I use Bubble? Because innovators choose Bubble because it has no code. Yeah, you can build without code, create professional web apps. You can create professional web apps using no code development platform, and the average time to deploy is 1 week. Make changes as you grow so you can launch in record time. And you can also customize without limits. Bring your vision to life with professional designs, professional AI tools. Bubble is also there for enterprise. No code app builder that scales with your business. So you get custom software builder. You can build any solution in record time, integrate with any system or services. You also get enterprise grade security. You get maximum reliability and expert support partners. So Bubble allows you to do everything, but you're not limited to anything. You can learn about the enterprise plan by clicking on this. Now you can build it with Bubble, just as you can imagine it, you can build it with Bubble. Let's go to the pricing. So when you go to the pricing of Bubble, before we move to Software. For the pros and the cons of Bubble, we have, before the pros, you get limitless possibilities for app creation. You have visual interface that makes building fun, and you have a huge community for support and affordable starting price. And the starting price for Bubble is 0, so it is free. You can start for free. But once you use the super plan, you pay $29 per month. Once you use the Goods plan, you pay $119 per month, and Team plan, you pay $249 per month, and they are all billed annually. If you want to check the bill monthly, choose all this, and changes to $2 per month, $134 per month for Growth plan, and Team plan $299 per month. These are all the things you get. Now, if you choose a free plan, these are the things you get from it. You get, it's great for projects that are under construction. You get development vision, API connector, component library, 1 app editor, 50 workload units per month, and 6 hours of server logs. Don't forget also the enterprise plan where you contact the sales department for this. If you want to see comparison, click on this. So you can grow quickly, scale with workload add-ons by clicking all of the app plans come with workload bundled in. So you can focus on building your app and acquiring users. When you start to scale your user base, you can purchase any additional workload you need to take your app and your business to the next level. If you are building for clients, you can create unlimited premium apps, unlock advanced app development and collaboration features, and grow your team with business development support and a lead generator platform from Bubble. Just get an agency account to do that. So students and investors can also use it. You get discounts on all plans as students. Education institutions can also access group discounts for students to support learning in the classroom. You can also get discounts for non-profit organizations on all their plans. They are also proud to support organizations building projects and using technology to change the world for the better. So this is all. You have education applications, they are all here. Everything you need to know about Bubble. So the next we have is software. So under software, so you think of software as your artistic. Okay, let's reload this page. Let's think of software as your Airtable's best bud. Yeah, here we are. You can use it to build custom business software without code. So you can turn your siloed data and workflows into powerful custom apps for your businesses in easy, fast, and no code required way. So this is it. So you can consolidate all your tools. Stop overspending on priced software with unused features. Just build your custom app that fits your workflow perfectly. Portals, CRM, inventory, dashboard, form, intranet, and more. Now for client portals, this is the client portal. Now if you want to see CRM, this is for CRM. This is for inventory. And this is for dashboard. This is how it looks. This is for the forum. And this is for intranet and so much more. And let's move on. Now software is very good because even if you're not coders or developers, it is still easy for you to use and learn, and it lets you run your ideas. Said by CEO of Twoguysfinance Pharmaceutical. Now when it comes to databases, you can work with your existing database. You can connect to 14 plus data sources or REST API to build real-time apps on top of your existing business data. If you are stuck in the status quo, you can replace it with software because you get a chance to use silo data and manual processing. So no more scattered data. No more scattered data. You get off-the-shelf software. No more overpriced software. You get silos, data manual processes, off the shelf, like I said, software and traditional development. Under traditional development, sorry, it's moving kind of fast for me. So I'm gonna wait. No more long waits or high development costs. You can build, adapt, or scale your own software, no code required. Now you can go from zero to app incredibly fast. You start by connecting to your data, customizing your layout and logic, publishing or launching, and that's it. Now to customize a template for any workflow, skip the hard part, choose components of ready-made templates and tweak ones perfectly match your workflow needs. So many templates you can choose from. Everything needs to be powerful software fast. It's available here. You can see them all here. And it integrates with tools you already use. You can style it to fit your brand, embed anything, publish on any device. Easy, secure logins, custom actions, and secure and reliable. So it has community support anytime you need it. Customers love software and you can start building today. It's free. Within 30 minutes you are through. So when it comes to the pricing, if you look at the pricing, so when it comes to pricing, they have the free plan, the basic plan, the professional plan, business plan, and the enterprise. So the free plan, you start for free. Basic $49 per month, professional one has $9 per month, and business $269 per month. When you use a free plan, you get to use one published app, 10 app users, 2 user groups, guests, this grid table, other basic building blocks, basic action and custom domain, and the rest of them. So you can compare the prices also. So that's it. So give both of them a try and see the one that best suits your needs. Hope you find the video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now.